It's a big cleanup time. I'm willing to bet the birds are not looking forward to being separated from some food here, but... Zoom, gotcha! We're moving everybody over into a bucket here. It's actually a pan. I turned off the heat a while ago so that I won't have to risk melting plastic. I call this one Dot because there's a dot on their forehead. This one's Pearly Butt because they're pearl. Come back here, silly. Just trying to show you off. Oh, you can sort of fly already, huh? I'm pretty sure I call that one Dose, but I can't remember. There's one I call Vulcan and one I call Dose. Are you Vulcan or Dose? That's Dose. The other one's Vulcan. Because of the forehead has two lines like it's two. And this forehead was a much more pronounced letter V originally. But I won't remember who they are later. And then we have the hobbled one, who is still questionable as to whether they're going to make it. I tied their feet together to make them try to stand up a little better. And because this leg was like way out to here. But the hip still sticks out funny, and I don't know if we're going to do okay. Sneak attack. Let's be nices. Be nices. You're in the tripod, it'll get adjusted. That's what you're hearing. Original is trying to sniff. Are you trying to sniff the birds? You're doing a good job of trying to sniff the birds. Take the water away for starters, because it's gooky. Whoa, sorry I kicked you. Boots. Dump it outside. Just made them some magic chick water again yesterday. So, incoming birds. Watch your butts. There's some water for you. Was Oops good? It's hard for me to tell. You gotta tell me if Oops was good or not. I can also crowd you with your food. What do you think? Oy, oy. Alright, now. everything's a mess in here. I'm gonna go dump the wood chips in the compost pile. I'm gonna move you because I'm gonna need to get past you. Tell me if oops is good again. It's me taking the lid off their pan. There we go. Be good, oops. Oops, I see you. You be a good baby. You'll be a good baby. I gotta put some things out the way, so yins are just gonna have to be really crowded in your bucket. Their cage is back. I'm gonna take this out. Perfect. I will then have to refill that box. Give me your foods. Do I get a bird along with the foods? Okay. And give me this. Oh, you pecking me? Okay, that's fair. Oh, it's backwards. Hold on. I only know it's backwards because I wired a thing to the wall that's designed to help hold the tiny little waterer for the tiny little bird. Give me waters. Thank you. We'll put the red thing in. Load them back in, huh? Oh, we'll put the hobbled one back in first. You're all hobbled up. You ever gonna learn how to walk right? I have my doubts. There's a lot more headroom now, guys. Here. Dot. There we go. Come here, little hobbled one. You get that wood chip out of your water. So these are just pine wood chips. Fresh ones, in fact. From the garden. Give it another couple days and these little ones are gonna be learning to fly. Except for the one that can't hardly walk. Which I feel really bad for that one. Dot, why are you stuck back there? Don't do that. So the heat's been off for a bit. For the most part, I think they're doing fine with that. Show you how I attach the waterer. can manage. There's some zip ties here. 2 of them. There's 2 different carabiner clips on there right now. Oh wow, that's how much taller the floor is now. Holy cow, birds. That's actually hanging. Over here, I'm gonna go clean out the little waterer that the one that's hobbled can actually reach, and reattach it on the other side, left bottom where you can't quite see. Hey, Robbie. You being so good, oops. Were you good the whole time? I bet you were good the whole time. Didn't I have a little lid I could put this against? Yes, I did. I'll show you if I can move you a little bit. I'll show you how I get this puppy hooked up. Whoops. Sorry. Let me just, there we go. You see the metal wire hooked through? Yeah. That's just got to go around there so it doesn't get knocked over. And I'm going to move some wood chips around again. Put this actually right under it. There, see? The only thing left is to grind up some food again, just in case the littlest ones don't yet have a strong enough beak for the full-size stuff that's coming out of that food dispenser. And I'm going to bring the one that can't hardly walk over and dip its beak. There you go, friend. There you go, drink your water. It's for you. Okay? And that's to give you the best chance possible, friend. I'm going to turn the heater back on. Find the little cookie switch. Okay, that'll start to heat back up. And that's the whole cleaning process. And a whole bucket of mostly very happy birds. You're mostly very happy. Some of them are starting to show orange on their edges of their chest, and that makes me think they might be roosters. It's easier to tell who's going to be a rooster than it is to tell who's going to be a hen. Come here. You have bright orange on the sides of your chin. Dot does too. Pearly Butt does not. Oh, little hobbled one, you really got to get that leg working. I'm giving you the best chance that I can, and it's just tough. Alright, well, that's everybody. Hope you're having a good one. Hope you enjoyed watching the birds. Take care. Bye.